This is a 2012 Kia Sedona EX. It has a Claret Red exterior and a gray interior with the EX trim level. This was a local trade and a non-smoker vehicle. It has a V6 cylinder engine with 271 horsepower that gets 25 miles per gallon on the highway and 18 mpg in the city. Some of the many features on this Kia include a CARFAX, third row seats, overhead airbag, captain's chairs, aluminum wheels, new tires, rear spoiler, MP3 player, power third passenger door, and keyless entry. Fisher Auto in Boulder has many quality used cars on the lot and ready to go.